want to show you a quick preview of the math mats. These are for numbers 0 to 10 and 0 to 20. They include task cards. You can choose from any of the task cards included and pair them with any of the mats. The mats are thematic for the entire school year, so it's going to go with seasons and months. Included in the cards are number identification, place value, expanded form, addition and subtraction, cubes with 10 frames, and then with number sentences. You can also use dice if you don't want to use the task cards. Your students could just roll 2 dice, add them together, and then cover up that number. But I want to show you some other things that you can do. So for this one, this is just a penguin theme. So I just paired it with the subtraction cube cards. So you could just have this in a math station and your students could subtract and cover up the number, the matching number. And then you could even have them, if you wanted to, depending on the age of your students, you could have them write the number sentence that matches it. So like this one, they would take 2 green cubes or 2 red cubes and 4 green cubes, add them together and then cover that number on their mat. They can trace the number with an expo marker, or they can cover the number with like beads or seeds or whatever that you want to use. For this one, this is just like a Halloween theme. There's also a spider Halloween theme one in there as well. And this one is missing numbers. So students have to find the missing number, which would be 13. You could give them a tray of just all different manipulatives, and then they would just cover up the number 13. This one is a snowman. Again, these mats come 0 to 10 and 0 to 20. They all come in color and black and white. So for this one, they're going to pull or pick a card. So they're going to do 1 red cube and how many is that? 5 blue cubes. So get out 1 red cube and 5 blue cubes, add them together, which would be 1 plus 5 is 6. So they could write 1 plus 5 is 6 on a piece of paper, or maybe they have a whiteboard, or maybe they're using the page protector. So they could write the number sentence and then cover up the matching number. For this one, I would do cotton balls so that it looks like snowballs or snow on the snowman. And then this one, you could just roll dice if you don't want to use the task cards. Roll the 2 dice, add or subtract, and then cover the number. If you wanted to, you could play, partners could play against each other. So like maybe one partner is red gumballs, one partner is orange gumballs, and then they could see who can cover up the most numbers. This one is spiders, just to identify the number and then put a bug on that number. So this one is 0 to 10. So I wouldn't put out all the cards. I would just put out 0 to 10. So let's say they flip over a card. So they're gonna flip it over and the number is 6. So they're gonna have to find the matching number and put a bug on the matching number. And then flip over another card. They get 8, cover it up with the bug. And then this one is I just copied it on the black or just regular printer paper, the black and white one. And then this could just be like independent work. So they could color in the numbers. So like they're reading the number word here and then finding the matching number. Acorns, you could just put little acorns with it. Here's a couple of other different themes. But yeah, this comes with 60 mats and task cards to choose from to use all year long in your classroom in your math stations. You could use this for math stations. You could use it for independent practice at their desk. You could use it for group work, morning work. It's good for so many different things.